Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about methods of string. In previous lecture we have learned about strings and the operations we perform in strings. And today methods of string we are going to learn. So there are many different types of methods we use in string to modify string according whatever we want to perform any task. So basically why we use string methods. String methods are basically so let's talk about the first method. First one is capitalize. What do you mean by capitalize? Suppose we have a string. Hello Python. Now if I want to perform our capitalize method, we just need to write the variable name, then dot, then capitalize, and then our parenthesis. Now our output will be hello Python. We have written hello is a small letter, but we got in output H as a capital letter. So that is the use of capitalize. It capitalize the first, very first element. First element. Now second one is upper. Upper basically it convert string to uppercase. It convert all string to uppercase, means all elements. If I write here upper, then we got all elements in uppercase. Now third one is lower. It is vice versa of upper. Now fourth one, title. Basically it first step of it convert the first character of every word to uppercase. Okay. Suppose I write here title. Now we will get the first character of every word as the uppercase. Now fifth, swap case. What is a swap case? It swap the cases from upper to lower and lower to upper. If I write here swap case, here we will get all into uppercase. But if I write here in uppercase, then our output will be in lowercase. Now our sixth is split. Now why split is used? Basically, it split the words. It split the words in separated space. Suppose I write here split. Then how what we get? We got a separated, it separate our words by using comma in it, it converted into a list. Okay. List of words. List of words in separated space. Now seventh is center, then our width, comma. Now what is this? Basically, first I will show you the example. If I write here center, then width, and then, sorry, with me, pose 10. Then, uh, then I will do this. Now what will happen? You can see, observe the output that we got four underscore in front and then the last we got four underscore. Then what this happened? Basically, center is used to make this string, you can say, to the center, and 20 when you see the total places of this output we get, this is total 20 characters. So it makes character total 20 and make our main string in the center, and it adjusts in such a way that it will get into center, and we have used here underscore, so he will use underscore in front and in the back of the string to make it center. Suppose I write star here, then we get star instead of underscores. Okay. So what is it used? Center the string with within a specified width using fill character. Now our eighth is count substring. Suppose we need to count that how many times hello is there in our string hello print. So we will get the answer 1. If I want to count that how many L are there, then we get output 2. If I say O, then we get 2. If I say A, then we will get 0. So this is how count substring is used to count. Used to count any substring. Number 9, replace old comma new. So why is it used? You can judge from the function itself that what is the use of this. Suppose I write here replace. Then we need to write the old any substring or string. Suppose I write Python. Old represents the already substring we have in a string. And if I write here Java, then we will get hello Java. And I can also write here the whole string hello Python जगह लिख सकते हैं वेलकम जावा बस यही था इसमें रिप्लेस दी is all occurrence of old old substring with a new. Now 10th is join then string. Basically join is used to concatenate the elements for list etc. Not we can say this of the iterable using string as in a separator. For example, in this, we have a list. We have list of strings. Now we can join it using join. So this is a list one. Now string is our dash. Now string dot join list one. It will join our list by separating using separating in string. You can see our string got separating these two words from the list. So join is used this way. Now 11th is upper used to check if all characters in the string are uppercase or not. Returns true and false. And our 12th is lower and same as is upper. Now we also have is lower, sorry, is alpha. Now we have is digit. These methods from is upper till now we have done are all give result in true and false. Okay. Is space also give us true and false. Used to check if the string contain only space. Is title now we have starts with substring. Basically it used to check whether the main string starts with given substring. Starts with given substring if yes, return true, else false. If I want to check that it start with H or not, string dot start with H. Oh, अच्छा लिस्ट है ना नाम तो list one. Yes, true. If I write a capital H, it will give us false. Now 19th ends with substring. Now 20th find substring. If we want to find, split return the index of the occurrence. Return the index of the first occurrence of substring. If I write find, then there will be -1 because there is no substring like h. It's small h. Then its index is 0. If I write Python, what will it give us 6 because index of p is 6. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So for Python, it will give us the first character index of that string. Now we have length. We have already done what is the meaning of length. Return the length of string 22 min. Min is used to return the minimum character in the string. So what this mean? Minimum character. And similarly, we have max also. Max. So what is this mean that return the minimum character in the string? So if I write here min, I have to remove this and I will write min of list 1. And if I write here A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, sorry, list 1, then what we will get? We will get A. Why? Because in alphabets, A is the first character, and also you know that A's ASCII value is 97 or 65. 97. So that's why we got A here, because A is the smallest string. In this whole string, A is the smallest string. And if I write max here, then we get K. Max of list 1 is K. So if I write whole A, B, C, D, F, G, H here, so the max of this string will be Z. Okay. Now there is a program we need to understand, which is there is a inbuilt library. There are many inbuilt libraries, and one of these inbuilt libraries string. So basically, what is this library? This library contains all the punctuation marks. Basically, it contains everything. Basically, this import string is a Python's built-in string module, and we can add this by using import string. There are other libraries, and that libraries also are added using import keyword. So basically, this module provide predefined collections of characters and utility classes that are incredibly useful for validation, text processing, and data cleanup. Means it contains collection of various characters. For example, if I write an import string, then I will create a variable punctuations, and I will assign string dot punctuations. And if I print this variable, then we will get all the, you can say, what we can say, we get all the special symbols, characters, all the symbols we have. Suppose we want, if I write ASCII lowercase, then we will get whole ABCD in lowercase. Uppercase, we will write uppercase. right? I hope you can understand what I'm trying to mean. It contains all the characters that you can see in your keyboard. If I write digits, we'll write all the digits. If I write printables, sorry, printable, then we will get everything. Whatever you can see in your keyboard, everything we will get. Okay, so this is our string library. It is a already built-in function which is providing when we which is provided already when we install our Python. Okay, so suppose we have a string in which we have lists, then we write any punctuation mark, and then we write dictionary, then again I will write anything. Okay, now I want to filter. Now I want to remove this random text in my string. So I can use this string library. I will store all these are all the punctuation, what we can say, punctuation string. So we will store string dot, you can find everything, whatever you want to use, punctuation. आगे punctuation. Now I want to filter out. For I will use loop if for I in text. If my I in now 10 punctuations. Also, I want to create an extra variable result which is empty. Then result में क्या करना है, हमें उसको ऐड कर लेना है, मतलब कॉन्कैटिनेट कर देना है. मतलब आई मान लो पहले एल होगा, आई की वैल्यू सबसे पहले क्या होगी, फॉर लूप चल रहा है ना आई में, आई के करके सारे जो भी कैरेक्टर है आई अपने अंदर स्टोर करेगा, है ना. और फिर ये चेक करेगा कि जो सबसे पहले एल है, तो एल क्या पंचुएशन में है, पंचुएशन क्या है. पंचुएशन आप जब होवर करोगे पंचुएशन के ऊपर तो आपको ये भी दिखेगा कि पंचुएशन में ये सारी चीजें जो हैं स्टोर हो रखी हैं, क्योंकि हमने यूज किया इक्वल्स टू स्ट्रिंग डॉट पंचुएशन. नाउ क्या जो आई मतलब एल, लिस्ट का एल फर्स्ट कैरेक्टर, क्या वो इसके अंदर है, नहीं है. तो क्या हो जाएगा, वो एल क्या हो जाएगा, ऐड हो जाएगा हमारे कॉनकैटिनेट हो जाएगा रिजल्ट के अंदर। ठीक है, सो इससे क्या होगा, सिर्फ जो हमारे कैरेक्टर है, मतलब जो लेटर्स हैं बस वही जाएंगे, ये पंचुएशन नहीं जाएंगे। तो आखिर में हम क्या कर देंगे, हम प्रिंट कर देंगे अपने रिजल्ट को, इसको हटा देते हैं। Now if I run this, I will get my list W dictionary। तो ये सारे जो स्पेशल कैरेक्टर्स थे ये सारे रिमूव हो गए। सो बेसिकली ये मतलब था इसका एक प्रोग्राम है जो आपको समझना जरूरी है। So this is all about the strings. There is nothing left that we want to learn about the string. Okay. So this is all for today. Thank you.